Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Motor Match, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on the Skoda Karoq 2.0 TDI SportLine 4-wheel drive, which is a diesel manual. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in velvet red exclusive. To start off with, then you have your full LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch Vega style alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the velvet red exclusive exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you can find that you've got an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a large amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the SportLine fabric finished in black. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls as well as buttons to control your information panel, and you also have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 37,775 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what, along with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. And you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a Skoda Karoq 2.0 TDI SportLine with 4-wheel drive, which is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.